You absolute moron. Completely stopped. Taxi driver completely stopped. What a stupid and dangerous overtake. I want you in front of me now. I am not going to stay in front of you. I'm bailing out from such a driver. It's about the best thing you can do. Anyway, I'm glad he abandoned his stupid overtake. I mean, I was doing 26.5 kilometers an hour. That's almost 20 miles an hour. So you shouldn't even be overtaking in the first place, because you can't have done it without speeding. And of course, with both of them rushing, neither of them got anywhere. Piss poor planning. For some reason it takes being on a bicycle to realize just how pointless and wasteful those overtakes are. But most times when someone overtakes you like that in a city, you catch right back up to them.